Good morning, everyone. I wish to hear a little more louder. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's a good morning, and I think a lot of people have come in, and it's a good sign that people are ready and hungry for the knowledge. And we will like to start with, our third speaker is also here, so we welcome him too. I think I will start with thanking and complimenting OGTC for actually bringing out such a forum, especially Mr. Kesar and the group that they organize such a interesting and such a every year, year after year, they have been doing it for the knowledge of the industry. It's actually OGTC is now known to be a knowledge forum, and I'm very impressed. We are all very impressed because I have not seen any other such forum in the country. So they are very collaborative in nature. They help each other. They support each other. So we must give them a great hand because it's the first one. Today we have a very excellent panel of speakers here. And honestly, to some I'm very much associated with, but to one of you things that is I'm not too much associated with in terms of we are more into exports I'm personally rather than more domestic. But Mr. Damodaran is an expert on the domestic scene, and I think I will also be enlightened along with you. For me, the supply chain and it's all about a partnership. It's all about developing vendors, that is inter-organizations, within the organization, outside the organization, your vendors, within your office, departments, various this, all collaborate together to form a supply chain. That is what I always presumed in the government export scenario. But going beyond that, this is basically going beyond that to the retail sector. It is basically more to do with the how you work with your retailers, how you work, if I'm right, though, you have to be collaborative. I don't know whether I should say it or not, but I remember a story. I'm sure you must all have heard of that story. That's a rabbit and a tortoise story that was told to us from the very beginning of our existence by our parents. Slow and steady wins the race. Rabbit sleeps, and the tortoise wins the race. But story doesn't end here. Story actually starts here. Now the rabbit starts brooding. He starts thinking, why did he lose? So he challenges the tortoise again, and he says, this time I'm going to make sure that I win. He goes on, and the race starts. He runs and runs and runs and runs and reaches the destination. He wins. The moral of the story is that steady, fast, consistent will win the race. But story still doesn't end here. Now tortoise starts thinking, why did he lose? Why did he? What could he have done differently to actually go ahead and win the race? So he says, okay, the challenge is here again for the rabbit again for the race, and they both sit down, and then he says, okay, the path will be mine. So what they do is they run, and comes a river in between. The rabbit stops, and the tortoise actually swims over. He wins the race. So you sometimes have to be competitive to charter your own path. So not necessarily that you do have to go through a chosen path. But story still doesn't end here. Now a dog comes to the jungle, and he actually challenges anybody and everybody to the race. Now the tortoise and hare collaboratively together, they think we will fight this challenge together. Now the path is there. Now the race starts. Half the way tortoise carried, first half the way the rabbit carried the tortoise to the river destination. From river, it was taken over by tortoise, and they together win the race. So the idea is that you have to be very collaborative, you have to be together, you have to work together to win the races. This is not the time when we started our life where our parents told us slow and steady wins the race. It's not that simple anymore. With this, I give the dice to Mr. Damodaran. He will actually tell you how he has been collaborating, how he has been doing, or how differently he is doing, because he actually, in one of his conversation, he talked to me that it is now beyond collaborative that we are moving. So
Thank you.